Welcome back to CCTV Setup Guide. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade the firmware on a Hikvision DVR. First, let us check the current firmware version of the device. Open the main menu and navigate to Maintenance. Here you can see the system is running version 4.83.00. We want to upgrade this to the latest version. But before we do that, we need to download the correct firmware file. Let us switch over to the computer screen. On your computer, open a web browser and search for your specific DVR model. Once you find the official product page, scroll down to the Download section. Make sure to select the correct region, such as Asia. Here, we see the latest available version is 4.83.802. Click Download and accept the agreement terms. Once the download is complete, open the file destination and extract the zip file. This extracted file is what we will use for the upgrade. Next, prepare a USB flash drive. We will use this drive to transfer the firmware file to the DVR. Plug the flash drive into your computer. Before copying the file, ensure the flash drive is formatted correctly using the FAT32 file system. Right-click the drive, select Format, ensure FAT32 is selected, and start the process. Once the format is complete, open the flash drive and paste the extracted firmware file into the root folder. After the transfer finishes, safely eject the flash drive and unplug it from your computer. Now plug the USB flash drive into an available USB port on your DVR. Let us return to the DVR monitor menu. Navigate back to the Maintenance menu and select Upgrade on the left panel. Under the Local Upgrade tab, the system will automatically detect your connected flash drive. Select the firmware file from the list and click Upgrade. A prompt will appear stating, "System will reboot automatically after upgraded completed. Continue?" Click Yes. During the upgrade process, make sure not to turn off or unplug the DVR. The upgrade process is complete and the DVR is now rebooting. Wait for the device to power back on. Once the system is up and running, open the menu again and go back to Maintenance to verify the change. As you can see, the firmware has successfully changed from version 4.83.00 to version 4.83.802. The DVR is now running on the latest official firmware. That is how you upgrade the firmware on a Hikvision DVR, specifically for the model iDS 7204HQHI M1XT. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and share it on your social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.